Hi guys, I know I've given you a video about the critical reading projects, but I just want to take you through weeks 14 and 15. So they're all about the picture book work. This is our critical thinking project. The video is linked here. Supplemental information as resources are there too. But in week 14, I basically want you to come here and to post a blog entry, and you just put blog entry. And I'm just going to put test, and then you post entry, but you would post the topics that you're interested in. It might be divorce, it might be a holiday like Valentine's Day, could be anything that you would like to cover in your elementary classroom. And then from there, that's what's happening for that week. Let me get back to where we want to be. My apologies. So then this topic proposal, I want you to complete this worksheet with your topic proposal. So pretty easy. I want you to choose your two picture books, one being fiction, the made up story, and one being a nonfiction. If you can't find one, then you can go to the sites that I'm about to show you, but a nonfiction could be an encyclopedia, for example. So if you were to go back, then you can see picture book work, and this is the essay, and this is the source help. So if you're looking for picture book resources, you can click here. You can also use books that you have at home, at the public library, at the VU library. But this is kind of a good resource to find books online, the whole list of resources. So you kind of can click through there and have access. Amazon Prime also has access, and our actual library does as well. So also the reading should be found in the front of the book. You can also look up the book and ask for reading level in a Google search and come up with it. But you should have a good guess of where you think it situates, and you can feel free to ask me as well, but you need to have a target grade that you're working with. And then this is from our library campus, and this is an ebook on public collection. So we can also come back to, I just want to get to the weekly work again. I want to show you what's happening. So that's all that's happening in week 14. I think I'll leave it at there, but just kind of a heads up that beware of week 15 with the work and the deadlines that could be completed. I'll be talking about this critical reading topic and leave questions for you in my Zoom office hour on Monday at 10 a.m. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.